Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. In this video, I will talk about intermittent fasting and why I do it. In general, most diet focus on what to eat. However, for intermittent fasting, it focuses on when to eat. With intermittent fasting, you only eat during a specific time. Research show fasting for a certain number of hours each day or eating just one meal a couple of days a week may have health benefits. Studies have shown that our bodies have evolved to be able to go without food for many hours. In prehistoric time, before humans learned to farm, they were hunters and gatherers who evolved to survive for long periods without eating. It took a lot of time and energy to hunt game and gather nuts and berries. So therefore, our body have evolved to go without food for many hours. How does intermittent fasting work? There are several ways to do intermittent fasting, but the general concept is that you need to choose one regular time period to eat and to fast. So according to study, after hours without food, your body will exhaust its sugar content storage, so then it switches over to burning fat because there's nothing in your system anymore. So now it's need to find something to burn calories because you continue moving on, you continue to do activities. There need to be a source of energy, and that source of energy will be the fat stored on your body. Okay, let's talk about intermittent fasting schedule. Usually when you start out, I recommend you do either 3 to 2 meals a day. Personally for me, what I do is 2 meals a day. Sometimes I do 1 meal a day, but slowly I recommend you slowly do 3, 2, and 1. Now for beginner, I do recommend you to start out with 12-hour fasting. So 12-12. It's the reason why I recommend this because you could do it from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. So just don't snack after dinner or don't eat anything after dinner. Then that should be fine. Some people do it 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. So it's up to you. After that will be 16-8 or 18-6. Personally for me, I do 18 hours of fasting and 6 hours of eating. The way I do is I skip breakfast. I don't eat breakfast. I eat late lunch and early dinner. So I work 9 to 5. So I would skip breakfast, go to work, and then I will have a late lunch. So usually I will wait until after 12. Sometimes I wait till 1 or 2 p.m. to eat my lunch. Then after that, when I get home, I will eat my dinner around 5. So, and then after that, I will just fast through the next day, wait until after 12, sometimes eat lunch around 1 or 2, and repeat. And next will be 20 to 4 fast. It's also called warrior diet, but it's very strict. And honestly, I don't recommend you to do this every single day because it's not fun. I do it sometimes, but I will always keep it 18-6. And some day, if I'm don't feel hungry, I will go to 20. So I recommend you starting out with 12-hour fast, then maybe up to 16, 18. And then on some day that you are busy, then we'll go 20. The highest is with 24 hours or alternate day fasting, but I do not recommend that unless you are comfortable with other fasting schedule. I will make a video talking about longer fast and 24-hour alternate day fasting in the future, but for now, I do recommend you start out with 12 hours first, then go to 16, 18. Then I think 18 is a good recommended for most people who want to do intermittent fasting for long term. And personally for me, intermittent fasting for long term is an ideal way. I have been doing it for 2 or 3 years now, and it's worked wonderfully. Is intermittent fasting safe? Some people try intermittent fasting for weight management like me. Others use this method for chronic condition. But intermittent fasting is not for everyone. I want to say that you need to be more careful. You need to talk to your doctor about this. Intermittent fasting is not for people who are under 18, children and teens, who are pregnant, or breastfeeding, people who have type 1 diabetes or even type 2 diabetes, those with history of eating disorder. So keep in mind that intermittent fasting have different effect on different people. So I really recommend you to talk and to your doctor, talk to your dietitian. And if you have any symptom like anxiety, headache, nausea, I recommend you to stop and consult a professional. Um, it does take your body maybe 2 to 4 weeks to change to like accommodate or to accustom to the new intermittent fasting lifestyle. Personally for me, that's why I recommend that you to start off with 12 hours fasting, do 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. or 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. Please keep in mind that everybody is different. Intermittent fasting have different effect for different people. So be aware on how it is for you. And if it's work, then great. If not, then just talk to your doctor, talk to your professional, and take care of yourself. Well, I hope you learned something new from this video. What is your thought on intermittent fasting? Comment down below. Like and subscribe. On this channel, I talk about my journey to a better lifestyle, a better health, physical health and mental health, and explore the methods and topic that to improve my health and share them with you. Take care of yourself, and I will see you again on the next video. Bye!